Anyway, guys, let's get to Millie. One thing get fan busy like Millie, they are not playing, guys. The advocates are making sure Millie right now he's the only housemate who has received more gifts to all the housemates that got evicted, guys. So advocates decided to gift Millie with an iPhone 17 Pro Max, MacBook, iPods, laptop bags, sweat t-shirts, money for the camera. They also transfer money to his bank account. One thing about the advocates, they make sure was Umele he is enjoying, guys. We know that people were celebrating on Sunday when he got evicted, but it looks like the people loves Umele, guys. There are people that are saying, wow, Umele has a good aura, and some people are also currently busy making sure Umele gets a brand, guys. There's a campaign for Chiller's Punch, and people are busy taking to say the person that deserve to be part of Chiller's Punch ambassador. So Mele, guys, he has one task of all the housemates, guys. The person who's doing so well outside Mele, guys, he's been busy with interviews. Today had an interview with the engineer Lungile, the engineer, something like that, guys. I forgot her podcast. So yeah, man, Umele he's enjoying, guys. Congratulations to Mele. One thing about the advocates, they're not playing. So it shows that if you have a good aura, good personality, guys, if you work hard on yourself, trust me, good things will happen, guys. There's a chances that Umele he might make the 2 million outside the house, guys. So it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.